Well, you take a look at that. This is a Sparc steering wheel, is the brand of steering wheel, and it is a all metal steering wheel. And they've sent it into us because they want us to put leather on the bottom and top in these sections and really kind of add a little touch of elegance to it instead of just cold hard steel, if you will. But the neat thing about these is that they are milled on a CNC machine out of a big block of metal. So not cheap, but pretty cool. So we'll do our transformation on this and then we'll take a look at it when it's done and see how it looks. So now this Sparc wheel is all finished out, trimmed with material that the customer sent in to us. We used that nice hand-stitched basting stitch on there, really offset it, and just looks so much better than just a bare metal wheel, which I guess a lot of people drive with on these. But this guy didn't want to. Don't blame him. Be hard to grab it in hot weather for sure. So that's how we do it here at Craft Customs. So it doesn't matter any wheel. This is a very, very different steering wheel, but we do them all. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, and as always, you are going to love what you get. We guarantee it.